uyu munsi ngiye kubereka uko interuro iri muri positive uko wayishyira muri negative ukoresheje don't and doesn't. Positive sentence to negative sentence. We use don't and doesn't to make a negative sentence in the present tense. We use don't and doesn't to make a negative sentence in the present tense. Dukoresha don't and doesn't mu gihe tugiye gukora interuro ariko iri negative. Negative ni impakanyi. Mu gihe urimo guhakana icyo gihe wifashisha don't and doesn't. Mu buhe buryo rero nibwo tugiye kurebera hepfo gatoya. Ntucikwe. Stay tuned. Ubushize twaganiye uburyo wakoresha do and does. Dusanga ko ubikoresha mu gihe ukeneye kubaza ikibazo ariko muri present tense. Icyo gihe ukabaza icyo kibazo ukeneye kumenya igisubizo yego cyangwa oya. So twasanze ko do and does ubikoresha muri present tense. Kugira umenye kuzikoresha twavuze ko ubanza kumenya subject pronoun. So subject pronoun twasanze ni I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Izo subject pronoun kuri don't and doesn't naho turazifashisha. Nukuvuga ngo iyo tugiye kubyandika dufata do tugateranyaho not mu mpine tukandika don't. Tugashiraho akamenyetso tukagasimbuza iyo o tukandika don't. No kuri doesn't naho niko tubigenza dufata does tugateranyaho not mu mpine tukandika doesn't. Tugakuramo iyo o kuri not tugakuraho iyo o tugashiraho ako kamenyetso tukandika doesn't. Nukuvuga ngo don't ikoreshwa kuri I as a subject pronoun, I, you, we, they. Doesn't igakoreshwa kuri third person singular nk'ubusanzwe ugakoresha he, she, it. He, she, it. Reka turebere hamwe uko wakora interuro ukoresheje don't and doesn't muri negative sentence. Nukuvuga ngo dufata interuro iri affirmative tukayishyira muri negative. Negative twavuze ko ari impakanyi, affirmative aba ari interuro yemeza. Iyo ugiye gukoresha don't and doesn't ufata subject ugateranyaho auxiliary ugateranyaho verb. Reka turebe ingero hepfo. I swim every day. I don't swim every day. You need a dictionary. You don't need a dictionary. She likes chocolate. She doesn't like chocolate. It's raining much in summer. It's raining much in summer. It doesn't rain much in summer. It doesn't rain much in summer. We speak Spanish. We speak Spanish. We don't speak Spanish. Because ari mu bwinshi ntago dukoresha doesn't ubwo dukoresha don't muri negative sentence. He eat meat. He eat meat. He doesn't eat meat. Ese arya inyama? Ntabwo arya inyama. Kubera ari he turakoresha ari muri third person singular dukoresha doesn't. You understand? You understand? You don't understand. Ese uri kumva? Ntabwo uri kumva. Understand. Icyitonderwa hano don't and doesn't twabikoresha ku nshinga zose uretse modal verb and verb to be. Izo modal verb ni izihe? Harimo might, can and should. Ahandi hose twakoresha is don't and doesn't ku nshinga zose uretse izi modal verb and verb to be. Izo modal verb twasanze might, can and should. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe, put commenting section down below, share, like. Ciao ciao.